Starting around 30 July 2023, HEX for the most part is exchanging at $0.009 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36%. In certainly most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, HEX most certainly by and large has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $1,523,394,931, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $882,006, or so they truly thought, which is very huge. This most certainly makes HEX truly positioning at 205 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023, what will HEX for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023 in a sort of enormous manner? Is HEX a very wise venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly? Will HEX cost generally outperform its untouched high, which certainly is very huge? These for the most part are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost basically is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of $0.012. The normal most certainly especially least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to be $0.011, actually certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In addition, HEX can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.012. HEX value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of HEX certainly is gauged to fundamentally be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.009 in an especially significant manner in an unobtrusive way. The HEX value worth can generally arrive at a fundamentally by and large limit of $0.010, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.010 in United States dollars, or so they really thought. HEX value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, HEX cost explicitly is figure 2 for the most part, essentially arrive at a practically the least cost of $0.010. Incredibly, the HEX cost could arrive at an in every practical sense sort of most extreme cost of $0.010, with the by and large normal expected cost around $0.010, which sort of is very critical. HEX value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of HEX fundamentally really is supposed to explicitly be at around an exceptionally least of $0.010, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. HEX cost can sort of arrive at a quite of limit of $0.011, with the extremely normal cost of $0.010 in United States dollars in a very large way in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX value gauge October 2023. The HEX cost for October 2023 may fundamentally arrive at an especially least worth of $0.010, while the especially greatest determined cost essentially is around $0.011 in a kind of significant manner. The for the most part normal cost for HEX certainly is by and large truly anticipated to reach $0.011 in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. HEX value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, HEX cost for the most part sort of is conjectured to especially arrive at a least cost of $0.011, which generally for the most part is very huge. The HEX cost could in a real sense arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.012, with the very normal expected cost around $0.011, or so they explicitly thought, which is genuinely critical. HEX value conjecture December 2023. The genuinely normal cost of HEX could sort of go to $0.012 toward the finish of December 2023 in an unpretentious manner, or so they explicitly thought. HEX could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.012 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.011. HEX exceptionally sort of past value examination and the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been in a real sense diminished by 5.8% in its in every practical sense current worth in an unobtrusive way. Assuming we explicitly think about the ongoing business sector cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. HEX generally is confronting a truly quite tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which sort of is genuinely critical. The HEX generally is down to nearly 6.51% over the most recent 7 days. So in the event that we sort of look at the really current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap especially is likewise down. Or so they quite all goals and purposes thought in an unobtrusive manner. The coin in every practical sense, especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every way that really matters, past essentially truly couple of days. The coin could sort of most certainly areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't actually believe that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment. So HEX value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023. HEX cost in every way that really matters, in a real sense, is figured to explicitly arrive at a least cost of $0.011, or so they fundamentally thought. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX basically diminished by 88.663%, killing an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $0.069 from its kind of current worth, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent for the most part purchase and open door for exceptionally speedy speculation, showing how the by and large normal cost for HEX fundamentally in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to generally reach $0.011 in October 2023. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, the 90 days cost change basically is near 65.22%, and the cost in a real sense fundamentally coursed from a very least truly normal cost of $0.024 to truly greatest certainly normal cost of $0.027 in the sort of beyond 90 days. So HEX value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of HEX sort of is supposed to generally be at around a really least of $0.010 in an unpretentious manner. HEX really is somewhere near 52.18% with the especially greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin explicitly in a real sense was around $0.023, and the kind of least especially normal value of was around $0.021, and for the most part fundamentally beyond 4 months, which entirely is genuinely huge. HEX value estimate 2023 facts. What will all things considered be HEX sort of worth in 2023? Sort of lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. The HEX cost in every practical sense is gauged to especially arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.012, with sort of least cost of $0.011 toward the finish of 2023, showing how inside the especially